Hey, this is Ronald from Mad Skills University, and today we're talking about personal body cams. I bought and reviewed all three of these body cams you see on the screen, and the video quality was about the same. The night vision was about the same. But I did link them all below. I kept all three of these. I like the fact with the Boblov I can use this also as a dash cam. I paid 95 bucks for this on Amazon. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. While this is charging, the light will be blue. Once it's done charging, the light will go off. Okay, so this is what comes with this. Looking head on the right side here, and this is from the manual, which is extremely clear, by the way. On the right side, I have a charging port, and this is my video record button. That's all I really use. My button is red. If you want a photo, use that, and just audio, use that. On the left side over here, you're going to have your night vision up here. Second button is going to be your IR or your flashlight. Third button is going to be your play button, or you can have a green laser, and then you have your power button. On the back here, you have a reset button. Then the menu is pretty simple to use. I mean, there's videos out there, but you can change it to record in 5-minute intervals, 10, 20. I have mine at 30. I have it looping. I also have mine on stealth mode. So when it's recording, you see no lights over here. I love the fact that I can convert this to a dash cam. I can have this hang off of anything, have a clip. I have a car charger here as well with the cable, and everything I need is in this. So I chose this model because it has so many accessories, and it does everything else that the other models do, and I don't care about GPS. Okay, let me show you what this thing looks like. Now I also have the car connector, and I'm going to pop it on the car. The camera you're seeing right now, I have a regular car cam, but what you're seeing right now is this camera, the Boblov. Yeah, Matt. Oh, what's up, buddy? I'll see you a little bit later. That's one of the homeless guys I help. Tap this, slide this out. It allows me to pop this around my neck. I like when the art is bright, that's for sure. Hey bro, you see I have this band on my neck. I need something like this. Hello. That's okay, no problem. I just turned this camera on and now it's recording. This is at night and all the lights are off. So if I click it once, now I'm in night vision. And my bike over there. Now I'll turn the light on here, turn night vision off. And this is that living room. Yeah, so the night vision is really good. And I can walk up to my bike here. And I can take off night vision and just use the flashlight. And that's just my flashlight. Turn that off, back to blackness, night vision. Now I'm walking outside the backyard and the light's on. As you can see, it's pretty black back here. I can't see anything. And I'll put on night vision. So now the light came on there. So let me get away from that. Here's the backyard you saw last night. Here's my Bam Bam. All of these cameras were pretty much alike when it came to the quality. It's just a matter of your preference. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you and yours the very best in 2025. Peace.